मेरा sexy boy, everybody wants you. You're sexy boy, everybody needs you. You're sexy boy, everybody loves you. Oh, that sexy boy, sexy boy. You're sexy boy, everybody wants you. You're sexy boy, everybody needs you. You're sexy boy, everybody loves you. Oh, that sexy boy. Hello, Jack.
Oh, audio. कोई बात नहीं। Start.
नजर में तू ही तू, नजर में तू ही तू।
ऑडियंस से फील हो जाएगी कौन किसके लिए वोट करना है। बाबू सर, अच्छा जी, प्रेरणा मैम, चलो ठीक है जी। ऑडियंस पता चल गया किसकी तरफ है, अब देखते हैं किस पर किसकी तरफ है। चलो जी, जिधर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले दिल गिली अक्का। पानी का कहने छोड़ के गए शांत। अच्छा जी, अब ये कैट फाइट होने वाली है। वन वोट सर, वन वोट सर। आओ जी, आओ जी। ठीक है जी, किसका सर्विस किया ज्यादा भाई? दोबारा होगा
ये सर इधर इधर इधर
दोबारा। Director sir has come. So can we have a applause for him? Okay. Back to the game. नितिन मैम जीत के हैं, तो मैम आगे आ जाओ आप सारे लोग लाइन में खड़े हो जाओ। मैम पीछे पनिशमेंट है, बिल्कुल है जी, लाइन में आप इधर आ जाओ। अब है टाइटल्स, आप लोगों के यहाँ टाइटल्स मिले, ठीक है जी। भानु मीना सर, आप सर डोटा खेलते हो, हाँ, अब ब्लैक मामा ऐसे खेलते हैं, तो सर का टाइटल है ब्लैक मामा। अविरल सर मिस्टर शरीफ ऑफ द क्लास। खिलाड़ी नंबर 1 मोनिका डोगरा मैम. Any guess? Miss Chatterbox. Barkha ma'am. Miss Ayodhya, yes. Miss Oh my God. Miss Prerna Gorwal. Weeping Babe. Weeping Babe मैम को आगे से इंटरव्यू के बाद देखना ना इतने टच थे कि उनका नाम मुझे क्लासमेट की तरफ से Weeping Babe. मोनिका डोगरा मैम. ओके सॉरी. दीदी दलवार मैम. चिली सॉस. मोनिका डोगरा मैम इज नॉट देयर. अच्छा हो गया सॉरी. ओके जी. नाउ I would like to call upon stage our respected HOD sir for the welcome speech, sir, please.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Director of the Institute, Professor Samir Kumar Das, respected Professor M.K. Jha, my dear colleagues, the most important and the guest of the day, the outgoing 2009 BTech batch and the outgoing MTech batch, and my dear students. As all of you know, we have gathered here basically for two occasions. One is, as usual, the farewell to bid farewell to the outgoing students, and the other is that a get-together after the post-conference session of CAMCON 2012 was long due, and somehow we were not able to find time, and so we have planned the same today. We want to felicitate our students, our faculty, our staff, those who worked day and night to make that event success, and everybody was witness to that the event was really a grand success where not many people participated in that. In this entire process, the students, the faculty, and the support from our worthy director, Professor Samir Kumar Das, was tremendous, and these were the reasons why we could make that event successful. I know a long activities are planned today, and I will not take much time, but I will definitely share a few words with the outgoing batch. That if you look back 4 years back, you must have come with certain aspirations, which would definitely have been fulfilled during these 4 years. I would like to say that whatever you aspire, many times you do not get 100%, but definitely you should put a sincere efforts to achieve them all. And the good placement, though it is I think near 85%, but in all means it is very good considering the current scenario of the placement throughout India. I think we are going ahead many other good branches. I would not like to name, but we are. This is in fact a testimony that how hard you have been working, how hard we have been working, and how good the support from the administration side was available to we all. At this moment, I was just seeing the slogan you have put here, "Tusi na jao." That means you please do not leave us. But it's like that. It keeps on flowing, it keeps on moving, and it is always desired. I remember the quote of Guru Nanak Dev, who said while seeing a good lot of people, उन्होंने पंजाबी में कहा था, तुसी उजड़ जाओ. उजड़ जाओ means you get dispersed. And the idea was that whenever you disperse, you will spread the fragrance of goodness to the society. And when he went to the bad lot, he said, "Baste raho." Means you remain intact and do not get dispersed, so that all evilness remains at one place. So I would say you tusi jao or tusi follow and reach the pinnacle of your profession. And when you are at the top, you come back to the department, and whatever you missed, whatever you thought you could have got better, but want of any facilities if they were not there at that time, you be a part to bring those facilities to the department. That should be the spirit. And whatever you have got today, a lot of contributions had been there from your alumni side, and in a couple of months, I would say, you are going to be alumni, and we definitely look forward to you people after say 5 years from now, that you will come back to our department with more ideas, more help to your junior fellows, and in terms of placement and in terms of all other means. With these words, I wish you have a grand success in your life, and we'll hope that we'll always be in touch, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was very well said. Now I request Dr. Ajay Bansal to present a bouquet of flowers to Director Dr. S.K. Das and welcome him to this farewell party. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. The Department of Chemical Engineering organized at Dr. M.K. Jha, sir, the organizing secretary, ChemCon 2012, to please come up on the stage and give a short review about ChemCon and bid a farewell to our seniors. Please, sir.
Honorable Director, Professor S.K. Das, Head of the Department, and my colleague, Dr. Bansal, my colleague in the department, and all the students, younger friends, I can say. And I am witness of from first farewell of the students to the farewell up to 2013. And I feel very proud because I got this opportunity because I was associated with first batch of the students, and then continuing from last 21 years and all these things. Again, I will not say much about because shortage of time and all these things. But regarding this Chemical Engineering Congress, sometimes what happens if I think, so I could not believe that this function we have done. Sometimes आज विश्वास नहीं होता है कि हम कर लिया इसको, लगता है कि नहीं पता नहीं कैसे हो गया, समझ नहीं आता है. So this is a very big achievement for the department, for the institute, and it is not possible if whole department, whole students, तो सारा फंक्शन, सारा मैनेजमेंट आपका था, सारे स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने जितना मेहनत करके काम किया, हमारे स्टाफ, हमारे टीचर्स, एंड सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब का, जिन्होंने आंख खोल के सपोर्ट किया. जब भी आते थे किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को लेके, कभी उन्होंने ना नहीं करते थे, बस तुम करते जाओ जो भी था. कभी बंदा मतलब वो लगा दिया कि हाँ कहीं किसी स्टेज पे उन्होंने कहीं पर ये नहीं किया. Only thing he always he appreciate and always he approve all the approval. Otherwise it is very difficult to organize all these things. I know in a small town how we have done. I have already submitted the brief report about all these things, so I will not repeat again to the shortage of time. And the only thing is I feel proud to all of you because you have witnessed a part of it and you have worked day and night. And this is again today a certificate distribution will be also will be held, so that in your life you will remember that certificate, and then again you will remember your contribution for organizing this Indian Chemical Engineering Congress 2012. Now I request Director of the Institute and Head of the Department to come on the dais for this certificate distribution part. And all faculty members present, please come on the dais.
Professor M.K. Jha, Dr. Ajay Bansal, Head of Department, and Director Dr. S.K. Das to please give away the mementos and certificates. Please, sir.
Priyaranjan, Subhalchand, काशी, करमजीत सिंह, संदीप सिंह, करण कश्यप, गौरव गुप्ता, अर्शदीप सिंह, चेतन अग्रवाल, दिवेश तिवारी, परमिंदर राजू, धर्मवीर सिंह, दीपाली शर्मा, इमी सिन्हा, मोनिका डोगरा, साक्षी नागपाल, शिवाली सिंगला, सोनाक्षी शर्मा।
I request all the members to please line up. People sitting in the audience, please settle down. The ceremony will not take much longer time. We will finish it in about 45 minutes. So please settle down. Don't leave the CSH. Please give a big round of applause to all of them. They have worked so much hard to make MCon 2012 a wonderful success.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
I also request Sonakshi Sharma, Sumanpreet Kaur, Supriya Katyar, Swati Dandekar, Shweta Tohar, and Shilpa Kumari to come up on the stage and be in the line.
Okay, yes. Yes.
Sonakshi Sharma, Sumanpreet Kaur, Supriya Katyar, Swati Dandekar, Shweta and Shilpa Kumari. This was all for the accommodation committee. Now
I would like to call the technical committee: Navodit Bhatnagar, Khalid Kamal Pasha, Tribe Fosa Daniel.
the professor in charge for this committee were N.K. Srivastava, Professor N.K. Srivastava. Navodit Bhatnagar, Triphosia Daniel, and Khalid Kumar